Right then, welcome back to the channel and another customer van installation video. So what you can see in front of me is a lift kit for this Transporter T6.1. This kit is from Solo Suspension, which also do lowering suspension, which is why it's called Solo, but this is actually a lift kit. We've got some nice heavy duty I-back springs here, all the shocks and dampers from Bilstein. I'm not 100% sure on the business structure, but I'm fairly sure that Solo Suspension is owned by Transporter HQ, or the same guys that run it. If you're familiar with Transporter HQ, we have done a video with them in the past where they fetched one of their demo vehicles to us. We ended up tuning it, fitting a bigger turbo on there. Came in with 63 horsepower, ended up leaving with just over 200 horsepower. So that was a really cool build. Flatbed, transporter, air suspension, and like a peach colour. Pretty cool. So once we've got all the lift kit fitted, we've also going to be fitting some black Rhino WARLORDs. They're wrapped in a BF Goodrich KO2 tyre. As you can probably tell, this customer is going for an overland look. I've got some measurements of the standard suspension and wheel setup from the floor to the wheel arch. So we'll get some footage of all this being fitted and then we'll measure it again to see what lift we've got and take a look at the finished product.
You should make it pop. On the ground, 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 you should make it. On the ground, you should make it. On the ground, you should make it go.
So, short and sweet, pretty straightforward installation. Looking quite beefy already. Definitely achieved that overland swamper look. That seems to be the in thing at the minute with the transporters. So we've got some measurements before. So let's compare. On the back we had 775. We will have gained a bit of lift from the tyres as well. So what we're on now, just over 81 centimetres, so maybe 812. Decent increase there. And then on the front, we are now at 815, there or thereabouts. So nice increase over before, which was on the front 785. So pretty good. Nice looking kit, very heavy duty springs. Yeah, looks good. Customer should be well happy with that. So by the time this video goes out, we should have that suspension kit listed on the website. The Black Rhino wheels are already listed on there, so you can just go on. We'll put the links to both in the description, so if you do want to purchase them, check out the link below. If you want to book in, send us an email and we'll get you booked in. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.